Think van life means quitting your job, moving into a $100,000 Sprinter, and chasing sunsets full-time? You're probably wrong. Stick around as we bust the biggest myths about van life and prove you can embrace it without breaking the bank or flipping your life upside down. Welcome to The Weekender. We're all about weekend van getaways, day trips, and micro camper adventures. Like what you see? Subscribe for practical, budget-friendly travel ideas. From van life Instagram posts to dreamy YouTube vlogs, van life has become a bit mythical. People think you need a giant rig, a massive budget, or a full-time commitment. But here's the reality. You don't. Today, we're busting the 3 biggest myths about van life. And to prove it, we're tackling a weekend adventure with just $100.
Got that one.
$100 doesn't sound like much now, does it?
But we'll show you how it can fuel a weekend of adventures, including gas, food, campsite fees, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. First myth, you have to live in your van full-time to experience van life. Spoiler alert, you don't. For us, van life is all about making the most of weekends and short getaways. No quitting our jobs or selling off everything that we own. Just spontaneous, low-key escapes from everyday life. The second myth, size matters. Sure, big rigs look impressive, but compact vans like our Nissan NV200 offer flexibility, lower costs, and way less stress, whether it's squeezing into urban parking spots or saving money on fuel. Smaller setups make van life more accessible for part-time adventurers. Because nothing says freedom like spending 20 minutes to find a parking spot. So what does $100 buy you in a weekend? For us, it was a scenic drive, lakeside camping, and some pretty epic coffee-fueled mornings. Turns out you don't need a huge budget to enjoy van life. You just need creativity and resourcefulness. Pro tip, to save money, time, and on cleanup, prep some food at home and pack it up. The third and final myth, van life is always glamorous. Truth is, it's not always Instagram worthy. Rainy days, mosquitoes, and less than ideal campsites are part of the package. Because sometimes it really is about the little things. So what is the truth about van life? It's not about big rigs or big budgets. It's about finding freedom in small moments, embracing the simple joys, and making it work for you. Whether you're living in it, traveling on weekends, or adventuring on a shoestring. Van life is yours to define.